Hey there! In this video we are going to discuss how you can use Zerodha Kite Kill Switch option to stop over trading. First of all, my name is Kritesh and welcome to TradeBen's YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. We publish a lot of interesting investing and trading videos on this channel. Now, one of the biggest mistake that traders makes is over trading. That is, they do a lot of trades, and a lot of time what happens that because of over trading, the overall profit that the traders make reduces. In addition, a lot of time the losses that they are making also increases. For example, I have seen scenarios in which you have made a lot, in which the trader has made a lot of profit. Let's say they have made a profit of 15-20k, but after that they start doing over trading and their profit reduces from 20k to 10k, 8k and even lower, because they are not able to make good trades after a significant portion of time has gone in a day. Similarly, a lot of time what happens is that a trader is in loss. Let's say he is in a loss of 5,000 rupees, and because of over trading, because of doing a lot of trades, this loss increased from 5,000 to 10,000. So Zerodha, the biggest stockbroker in India, has given a good option of kill switch, using which the traders can restrict over trading. So what they can do is, if they use the kill switch option, after that they will not be able to take any more trades on that day. So for example, if for today, if you are done for the day, if you know that you are not going to make any more trades, you can just apply the kill switch option, and after that Zerodha platform will not allow you to make any more trade. So this is a very useful feature for the beginners or the people who are not able to control their psychology. So for example, let me show you what happened today. So today I have a profit of almost 10,000. However, in the morning I have a profit of almost 17,000 rupees. However, what happened is that today is holiday, today is Karnataka election, and I started over trading. I started doing a lot of trades, and because of that my profit reduced from 17,000 to almost 10,000. And here you can see that I have done almost 41 orders today. So which means that even for these orders I have to pay brokerage and other charges. However, I have decided that today I will take at least 10,000 rupees profits. So what happened is that when I saw that the profit has decreased from 17 to 10k, I just used the kill switch option, and after that I will not be able to make any trades today. So right now you can see it's 2:32 and the market is currently open. However, if I want to buy any option, let's say I want to add this one, 100 quantities, Zerodha platform will not allow me to buy this one. It's saying that if NFO is disabled on your account, you can activate the segment on console. However, this option will only be available tomorrow. So let me show you how you can also use the same option. For doing that, you have to first click on your profile and go to console, and on this one you have to go on my account, and here you have to go on the segments. In the segment you can see that I have already deactivated my futures and options for NSC, which means that I have just clicked on this one toggle button on this option and it is deactivated, and it's saying that it will be activated on 11th May, that is tomorrow. So tomorrow is expiry and I'll be doing some trades. However, I will not be able to do any trades today. In addition, if you want to apply kill switch for BSC equity, NSC equity, whichever segment, commodities, if you want to deactivate, you can do using this one. You can just have to click on the toggle button and you have to click on continue. After doing that, you will not be able to take any trades on the platform. So this is a very useful feature for the beginners. I will definitely recommend the beginners to use this one. Make a rule that you are not going to make more than any specific amount loss in a day, let's say 3,000, 4,000, and in the day if you see that you have made that loss, just use the kill switch. After that you will not be able to take any trades and you will be able to control your psychology. In addition, if you want to learn options trading, if you want to learn how to buy, how to sell options, you can visit our platform FinGrad. It is joinfingrad.com, and here we have a lot of courses on options trading, futures trading, buying, selling, from which is made by the market experts. So if you want to do courses on options trading, you can learn options trading with technical analysis masterclass or options trading for beginners. So depending on your skill set, whether you are a beginner or intermediate level, you can look into the courses which suits you the best in order to learn options trading. So do visit joinfingrad.com to learn options trading. And that will be all for this video. If you have many more doubt, if you have any more questions regarding using how to use kill switch, do comment below in the comment section. I will be very happy to answer that. See you in the next video. This is Kritesh signing off. Thank you.